Legal custody in the state of Maryland involves the ability to travel internationally with children. If you don't have a divorce order, either parent can move freely with their children. Now, both parents do need to consent to the issuance of a passport. But sometimes, even before the travel takes place, there'll be a dispute whether or not travel can occur and whether or not the passport will be issued. Now, if you're having a dispute with the other parent about passport issuance, you'll need to file a complaint with the circuit court where you reside to determine who has the authority to obtain the passport. Is it going to be one parent, or will both parents need to sign off? In the event the passport's already been issued and you're scared that the other parent's going to take the kid and travel internationally, you can seek the court's assistance with that as well. You can ask that they order that neither parent be permitted to travel internationally with the child without the consent of the other parent. Generally, it's informed consent in writing within at least more than 30 days prior to the travel dates taking place. But the court can put regulations in place so that if a parent up and leaves with the kid, that you have an enforcement mechanism. You can, seek contempt charges against that other parent. And, that's not a criminal charge, it's a civil charge. But if there's a duration of time that the child isn't returned and there's a custody order in place, there may be a criminal portion to that as well if you have to file kidnapping charges, for example. So it's a scary thought that a kid can be taken, travel internationally with one parent and not be returned. And you have to take that into consideration when you're in the divorce process. Don't ignore that, especially if the defendant has dual citizenship and you're dealing with a country where the court order from the U.S. may not have full force and credit. Those are things that you have to make sure that the circuit court judge is aware of so that the other parent can be ordered to not travel internationally with the child.